Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight muscles in your video. So I use CapCut for this because it is easy. I'm just going to select this video and I'm going to freeze frame it. So let's do that first. And I'm just going to copy and paste that. On this section, you're just going to select Effect and you're going to type in Blur, and we're going to kind of do this mini video transition here. Where's the blur that I can actually edit? Oh, this one. So on this one, let's just remove background first. And then here, I'm going to make the opacity at 0 first. And then like right about here, I'm going to make the opacity a little bit longer. I mean higher on at like 664, sorry. Alright, and then like here, I'm going to get this video. And then I'm going to go to media and I'm going to find like a red background here so I can highlight the muscles. I'm going to use this one. And then I'll do like this area, I guess. I don't really know anything about gym and stuff, so I'm so sorry. You're going to go to mask and you're going to add mask and you're going to use the pen tool here. If you can't see it, just go to the blend mode and adjust the opacity first. Then I'm just going to kind of like outline it. It doesn't have to be neat. Well, for me, it doesn't have to be neat because this is just an example. And then you can like feather it out, but I'm just going to leave it like this, and you're just going to kind of duplicate it so that there's like a flash, I guess, like that maybe, to like highlight the muscles. You can also do the other side if you'd like to. Let's just remove that, and then oh my god, can I? Well, I'm gonna just mirror it at this point. I know like the shoulder will be different. I'm just going to kind of adjust it like that maybe. Then I'll like copy and paste that again. Feather out the highlighted part obviously, but yeah, you do need Pro for it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.